Hello everyone and welcome to or welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a week or so since I have been on. Things have just been a bit of a mess and such around here over the last couple of days, about the past 10 days or so, but I am back full force and jumping straight into wrapping up my November saving challenges today. And I am so excited to finish my November saving challenges because this means that I get to unstuff all of my challenges for 2021, and that video is going to be coming out on Wednesday. That is the plan. But before I can unstuff everything that I've saved, I have to go through and finish up the savings that I have done. So I have everything here. I have my envelope for my fives. I have all of my fives that I have saved up. And then some money. Not all of this is going to be going into savings challenges, but it was just what I had pulled out, and we never know how the numbers are going to go. So I've got my Happy Planner. This has my Turkey Trot Savings Challenge from Chris Budgets in it. We will get to that in a little bit. I have my, not very decorative, but hey, it's life, coffee container for my $2 a day investing challenge. And then I also have my savings challenge binder, which has served me quite well since I started doing savings challenges, but I have handed over creative control for my savings challenge binder for 2022 to my husband. And so a new binder, or at least binder design, will be making its way in just a few days. It is December already, people. December, well, technically not yet, but we're only a couple of days away. We have survived pretty much. We've survived the year, and what a great year, I think, really it has been. So I am taking the rest of my fives. Yes, Caroline, that is in AA, sitting up front. So always starting off with a flat-chested. I need to always find the largest so that I always end with the opposite of a flat-chested. Actually, wait, there's one. Those are my initials, actually, EG. So I will start with a flat-chested and end with myself. Not because I am flat-chested, I am anything but, if you have ever met me. Into November envelope it goes. And somebody had asked where these envelopes came from. The Budget Mom. Because I also do the Budget Mom saving challenges as well. I did quite a few of them throughout the year. I'm going to be doing them in 2022 as well. I do not have a piece of tape, my normal tape, sitting by, but what I do have is, because I have been doing a lot of orders going out, I have my Express Post shipping label tape. So I'm just gonna tape it up with that, and it only has to wait for a couple of days, and it will get to join all of its other friends. To give you an idea of some of the other friends that this envelope will be joining, these are a lot of its friends from throughout the year. So that was October, December, September, May, April, March, February, January, June, August, July, that one's a bit thick. These are all $5 notes for the past 12 months. So December of 2020 through November of 2021. So 12 months worth here. If you want to have a guess how much is in here, by all means, drop that down below, because we are going to be finding out finally, what is in there, along with what is in a lot of the other envelopes that I have been collecting up throughout the year. And I will note that a lot of those are not, that doesn't even include some of the digital savings that I did, some like my Roundup savings challenge, which I gave up on trying to keep track of it because I got lazy. So there's really no other word for it. I got lazy. And for my Turkey Trot, well, not my Turkey Trot, it was Chris's Turkey Trot, because I missed last week, so I'm doubling up. That's also why there were so many fives. That was from the past couple weeks. So we've got 25, and then I'm just gonna do 30, 27, 20. These darn $1. People, not everybody has $1 notes. Think of us internationals. But $30 is going to be going into the Turkey Trot Challenge. And that is another one that I will take out. I will put it in an envelope of some sort and count it up. For Movember, this was a charity challenge, so I will not be keeping this money. I will be donating it. Do not even ask how the remaining of No Spend November has gone. I don't know. It's, you know, no spends just really aren't, just not my thing. That's, yeah, big challenge that I have with those. But I have 25 that is already in there, so I need to add another 25 more. Because I don't have any 5s, why did I just close that up again? Erin. So I will, after I just taped up all of my 5s. Brilliant. So 20, 30, 40, and 50, and this will be donated. In the name of Movember, I have quite a few friends that have grown quite the mows. So impressive, even if it is a bit cheesy. Some people say, well, okay, there's other words that they use for it, but I'm just not going to say that. My Roll the Dice challenge, this is from Taylor at Wild Printables, and I just got the best challenge from her that I'm going to be doing throughout all of 2022. I cannot wait to debut that for everyone. So I rolled a 1. And then a 6. $7 that I am going to be putting in. I actually think I might continue. No, I can't. Sorry. Because I got to count everything up. And so I have to stop it here. So that one gets put in as well. And oh my goodness, it's almost like a little ceremonial taking out of the envelopes. Oh, that's okay. I get to open them up. Oops. I took one too many because my 26 week is not done yet. So let's put that one back in there. For my 26 week challenge though, because I got a little bit behind. Ooh, I don't want to use that color. I want to use purple. I am going to do 2 of my 30s. So we're going to put $60 in, and that's not coloring very well, but it did color nonetheless. Just have to press down a bit hard. Give it a little bit of something, something. As Chris would say, 20, 40, and $60 going in to this challenge. So that gives us 1, 2, 250, 3, 2. Yeah, still can't count. That hasn't changed. 1, 2, 253, 354, 455, 556, 20, 40, 60, 80, 7, 20, 40, 60, $760. Dollar bill. I don't know. There's money in there. That's all that comes down to. And then Boxing Day challenge, because I just realized that my pen is not working all that great. I'm just going to put a big X through the 2 20s. That is going to be $40. That is going in there. So 20 and 40 into Boxing Day. I swear I'm only going to be counting things if there's an even number of 50s anymore, because I'm just 1 year on. I cannot count. So 51, 50, so 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So $450. We are almost to the end, which is good because Boxing Day is the day after Christmas, though I probably should not buy anything more. I actually know what the money for this is going to go to. All shall be revealed. And then the end of my spring 13-week challenge. And that means, sorry people in the US where it's snowing and it's cold and all of that yucky stuff, it is officially going to be summer. So we're gonna put the rest of the money in there. That is going to be 20, 40, 50, 20, 40, 50, 60. That is going to be $70 going into my spring 13-week challenge. I missed a week. That's okay. I don't mind. I am not going to count this because this is going to get counted along with everything else next week, or actually in just a couple of days, and some fun and frivolity shall be had with that because my husband is going to help count the money with me. So it will be interesting to see how much money we count versus how much money he tries to sneak and keep for himself. So I am just going to, with grace and ease, because you know everything always works out that way, paperclip it. I am going to say thank you to this binder because this was the start of my savings challenges after we paid off our debt, and it has served a fantastic purpose. I am looking forward to making my new one. And then in a couple days, that was my trick or treat challenge. I also did the Make It Rain. I did a May challenge, something in June, July, February, January. Pirate Booty, Marlene, loved this one, was so much fun. Hello Spring, March. Hot Girl Summer, 13 weeks. Saving, well, no, not you. Charity and a saving. So all of these are going to go with all of their other friends, including the one that's Express Post, because, well, that's just me. Plus I have the likes challenges that I was saving up for the year. So these are finally going to be counted, and we're going to see what is in here, and I am going to tell you what we are going to use that money for. I'm actually really, really excited for it. So we will put those just off to the side, and then lastly, I need to put my money into, sorry, not sorry for how loud it is, it's coins, into my $1 a day investing. So we had 14 days up until this point, so that gives me 28 total of everything in there, and then 2 more, so one for the 29th, one for the 30th. Sorry, that's loud. And that is going to go into my investing challenge, and I have already talked about where I am investing mine, which is a bit different because, well, I'm in Australia, and so I do Australian dividend paying stocks and ETFs. So I will have that. I actually think I'm going to go and throughout December do Transfer Tuesdays again, and so I will show that investment there. Okay, so that wraps up my savings challenges for 2021. Next is going to be to count them all, talk about what my December savings challenges are going to be, and then also reveal what I am going to be doing in 2022, because 2022 is going to be a bit different from 2021. So to give a bit of foreshadowing, 2021 was the year of paying off debt and saving. 2022 is actually probably going to be a year of actually spending and enjoying. And we have some very, very specific reasons to that that are specific to our situation, and in particular, my situation. So that is going to be coming up in some upcoming videos. As always, if you did enjoy this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you made it this far, let me know what savings challenges, if any, you are thinking about doing for 2022. Because even though I have my list and I am pretty much committed to it, in that, you know, we've got the engagement ring on, but we haven't gone through the wedding ceremony, so it's not 100%. I still have some time to change my mind or have a little bit of fun in changing things up. Gosh, that sounds terrible. But let me know in the comments below what you are thinking of doing for 2022. Otherwise, as always, remember to choose kindness, show gratitude, always, always, always keep a positive mindset, and I will see you in the next video.